Hey guys, this is our LS 53 Bel Air project for a customer. We put a Mustang 2 front end, front suspension in there, and we dropped a 4.8 liter LS in there. And I believe the tranny is a 4L60E. It was all out of a donor van, I believe. We'll be putting white walls on it. We're putting AC in it. We got a vintage air system in there. I believe the front end is a Heights setup with rack and pinion. I'll go over that in a later video for you. And we're gonna try and keep the front end looking, or the interior, the whole car is gonna look kind of stock. So yeah, we got to rewire the thing. You can see in there, barely see in there, but we've got our vintage air in there. We got rain gear wipers on it, and yeah, it's actually a really cool old car. So we'll let you follow along with the build here. We got a bunch of parts in the back end, condenser and AC compressor, a bunch of that stuff we got to start installing. I think we'll put a different fuel tank in it that's set up for fuel injection, maybe holds a few more gallons. But yeah, if you guys would like to see the build, follow us and we'll try and post a bunch of it. Just getting new to YouTube, so far from good at it, so bear with us. We'll try and get better as we do this. But yeah, actually a real cool old car. We pulled the original powertrain out of it, sold it to somebody else that wanted one. We had a heck of a time putting headers on it, getting something to fit in there with the steering linkage and that. I think these ones were maybe designed for like an S10 or something. They seem to fit in there after we struggled with a bunch of other stuff. We got the steering all hooked up in there. We're gonna try and use the factory little column shift to run the tranny. So we'll see how we make out making linkage for that. But we started doing it a bit ago, then it got stalled because we had some other projects to get done, like the VW van. I don't know if you guys seen it, but we'll be posting a bunch of information on that one also. We turned it into a food truck. But yeah, this is actually a really cool old car. So we'll just get it all cleaned up and see if we can't get it all back together and have you guys come along for the ride. Okay, enjoy.